Think your snake plant can survive anything? Think again. May is the month when most snake plants either explode with healthy new growth or start silently struggling from hidden mistakes. Warmer temperatures, stronger sunlight, and rising humidity can completely change how your plant behaves indoors. One wrong watering habit or too much direct sun could leave your beautiful snake plant droopy, yellow, or rotting before summer even begins. But here's the good news. With just a few simple adjustments in May, your snake plant can grow faster, taller, greener, and healthier than ever. Today, we're covering 7 essential snake plant care tips for May that every plant lover needs to know. If you want stronger roots, bigger leaves, and thriving growth all season long, keep watching, because tip number 5 surprises most plant owners. Number 1. Increase watering. Carefully. May usually brings warmer temperatures and longer daylight hours, which means your snake plant begins entering an active growing phase. This is the time many owners think their plant suddenly needs lots of water. That's where problems begin. Snake plants still store water inside their thick leaves, meaning they prefer drying out between waterings. Even in May, overwatering remains the #1 killer of snake plants. Instead of watering on a strict schedule, check the soil first. Push your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If it still feels damp, wait a few more days. If it feels completely dry, it's time to water deeply. A deep watering is better than frequent shallow watering because it encourages stronger roots. Always allow excess water to drain fully from the bottom of the pot. Never let your snake plant sit in standing water. If your home becomes warmer in May, you may notice the soil dries faster than during winter. Most indoor snake plants will need watering every 2 to 3 weeks during this season, depending on light and temperature. Watch for warning signs. Mushy leaves, too much water. Wrinkled leaves, too little water, yellowing at the base. Possible root rot. Getting watering right in May sets the foundation for healthy summer growth. Number 2. Give your plant more bright, indirect light. May sunlight becomes much stronger compared to earlier months. While snake plants tolerate low light, they grow fastest and healthiest in bright, indirect light. Move your snake plant closer to a window where it can receive several hours of filtered sunlight each day. East-facing windows are excellent because they provide gentle morning sun without harsh afternoon heat. Be careful with direct afternoon sunlight, especially from west-facing windows. Strong May sun can scorch the leaves, causing brown patches or faded colors. If you notice your snake plant leaning toward the light, rotate the pot every week. This helps the plant grow evenly and prevents crooked leaves. Brighter light in May encourages faster leaf growth, stronger root development, richer green coloration, better variegation patterns. If your home has limited natural light, you can also use a grow light for 8 to 10 hours daily. Remember, snake plants survive low light, but they truly thrive in brighter conditions. Number 3, refresh the soil if needed. May is one of the best months to refresh old soil or repot a root-bound snake plant. Over time, potting mix becomes compacted and loses drainage. Poor drainage traps moisture around roots and increases the risk of root rot. Healthy snake plant soil should feel loose, airy, and fast draining. A good soil mix may include potting soil perlite sand, orchid bark or cactus mix. If water sits on top of the soil for too long before draining, your mix may need replacing. Check the roots by gently sliding the plant from its pot. If roots circle tightly around the container or push through drainage holes, it's probably time to repot into a slightly larger container. Avoid oversized pots. Snake plants prefer being somewhat root-bound, and too much soil can hold excess moisture. Fresh soil in May gives your plant better oxygen flow, faster growth, healthier roots, improved drainage. This simple seasonal refresh can completely transform your plant's health before summer arrives. Number 4. Clean dust off the leaves. One of the most overlooked snake plant care tips is cleaning the leaves. Dust naturally builds up indoors during spring and can block sunlight from reaching the plant's surface. Since leaves absorb light for photosynthesis, dusty foliage reduces energy production and slows growth. In May, when growth increases, clean leaves become even more important. Use a soft, damp cloth to gently wipe both sides of each leaf. This instantly improves the plant's appearance while helping it absorb more light. Avoid commercial leaf shine sprays because they can clog the pores of the leaves. Cleaning also helps you inspect for early pest problems such as spider mites, mealybugs, fungus, gnats nearby. Healthy snake plant leaves should look firm, smooth, glossy, upright. A quick leaf cleaning every few weeks keeps your plant looking vibrant and healthy all season long. Number 5. Start light fertilizing. Here's the mistake many people make. They either never fertilize their snake plant, or they overdo it. May is the perfect time to begin light feeding because the plant is actively growing again after slower winter months. Use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength. Feed only once every 4-6 weeks during spring and summer. Too much fertilizer can cause salt buildup, brown leaf tips, weak growth, root damage. Snake plants are naturally slow growers, so they do not need heavy feeding. If your plant already looks healthy and produces new leaves, light fertilizing is enough to support continued growth. Organic options like worm castings or compost tea can also work well if used sparingly. Remember, more fertilizer does not mean faster, healthy growth. Gentle feeding is the secret. Number 6. Watch for rising humidity problems. Although snake plants tolerate humidity better than many succulents, rising indoor humidity during May can create hidden problems. Warm temperatures combined with poor airflow may encourage fungal issues or root rot, especially if watering habits stay the same as winter. To prevent problems, avoid overcrowding plants. Ensure airflow around the pot. Keep leaves dry. Use containers with drainage holes. If your snake plant lives in a bathroom or humid room, monitor the soil carefully. It may stay moist longer than expected. Signs of excess moisture problems include soft leaves, black spots, foul-smelling soil, mushy roots. Good airflow is one of the easiest ways to keep snake plants healthy during humid months. Number 7. Propagate new plants in May. May is one of the best times of year to propagate snake plants because warm temperatures speed up root development. You can propagate using leaf cuttings, division water propagation. For leaf cuttings, cut a healthy mature leaf. Let the cut-end dry for 1 to 2 days. Place it in soil or water. Keep it in indirect light. Root growth may take several weeks, so patience is important. Division is even faster if your snake plant already has multiple clusters growing in the pot. Simply separate rooted sections during repotting and place them into new containers. Propagation is a great way to multiply your collection, create gifts, save damaged plants, refresh overcrowded pots. May's warmth gives new propagation the best chance for success before summer heat arrives. Snake plants may be famous for being low maintenance, but May is the month that determines how healthy they'll be for the rest of the growing season. By adjusting watering, improving light, refreshing soil, cleaning leaves, fertilizing lightly, managing humidity, and propagating new plants, you can help your snake plant thrive like never before. Small seasonal changes create massive results over time. So before summer arrives, give your snake plant the care boost it deserves, and watch it reward you with stronger, taller, healthier growth. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with another plant lover who needs these May snake plant tips.